3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
From all the way from Newcastle, UK, Mr. Mark Edmondson.
It's so good to be here. Thank you very much for everybody getting here. You're in the Mecca of Newcastle here. We're going to be talking about vision, we're going to be talking about traction. It's going to be fantastic. There's been so much work put into this. Feedback is an area that I think we can really develop.
I think an EA agent like this take a bit of workload off. Becomes interactive, development a lot easier in terms of design.
Hi, my name is Alex.
Hi, I'm Cassie Brownlow.
Hi, I'm Matt.
We're here playing billiards and darts.
I've really appreciated the different types of activities and sessions.
It couldn't be more apparent that INFLO is heading in the right direction, and
It's also just an energy in the room that's been amazing.
Having a wonderful time getting to meet all of our colleagues.
very excited to be a part of this team.
How much you mean to me, how much you support me, how great you are, and I'd be so lucky if you'd be a part of my life forever.